this video, let me discuss about ultrastructure of fungi. Before that, what is mean by fungi? Fungi are the eukaryotic protista of an organisms. Introduction. Definition of fungi, morphological of fungi, importance of mycology, characteristics of fungi, classification of fungi and molds, diagram and its structure, dimorphic fungi, and last one, functions of fungi. First thing, definition of fungi. Fungi are the diverse kingdom of eukaryotic organisms that are heterotrophic. At the meaning of they can produce their own food materials from the fungi process. They are the common examples includes they are mold, yeast, and the mushrooms. Fungi are the essential decomposers, recycling nutrients in the environment and can be found in almost every habitat on the earth. Morphological classification. They are the yeast like fungi, filamentous fungi and molds, and the dimorphic fungi. Importance of mycology. It is the branch of science that deals with the study of fungi. For example, yeast and molds. The name fungus derived from Greek mycos, mushroom. Characteristics of fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic protista that differ from bacteria and other prokaryotics in many ways. They possess regard cell wall containing chitin. Fungi or characteristics are eukaryotic heterotrophic organisms that have cell walls made of chitin and reproduce via spores. The cytoplasmic membrane contains spherules. It is divided asexually or sexually by their both process. Fungi can also form symbiotic relationship with other organisms. They are maybe unicellular or multicellular process. They are non-vascular, non-motile and digest food externally before the absorption by the process. Fungi are molds, filamentous sources. Microscopic appearance, thread-like filamentous hypae seen in the tissue culture of the surface. Mycelium may be vegetative or aerial. They may be aseptive without the cross walls. Reproductive by asexual means spore formation. They some exhibit the sexual production fungus. These functions over the overlapping kingdom are organisms that includes the wide variety of life, mushrooms, molds, yeast and more. A type fungus that grows in the form of microscopic multicellular filamentous that may be called as a hypae. They often appearance fluffy, powdery patches on the surface neutral part of the environment. Other examples of fungi, mushrooms. These are the macroscopic fungi with a large visible fruitary body. Yeast. They are single-celled fungi that may be reproduced in by the budding. Structure of fungi. Before that, this is the structure of fungi. Structure of fungi. Each fungal cells is a eukaryotic processing a cell wall made up of chitin and a plasma membrane with cytoplasm, a nucleus and a varieties organelles like mitochondria. Fungi are economically useful of a process. They are used in many ways. The hypae are often divided into compartments by external cross walls called septa, which allow the passage of cellular components while providing the structural support and facultating intercellular communication. Mycelium, a mass of branching interconnected hypae that forms the vegetative body of the fungus, often hidden underground or within a substrate by their process. Dimorphic fungi. They exist as mold hypae forms. Molds can be forms and the hypae forms in the environment, and the mole's temperature are 25 degrees Celsius and the heat in the human tissue body tissue temperature are 37 degrees Celsius. Several medically important fungi are dimorphic fungi such as Histoplasma capsulatum, Blastomyces dermatidis. These are, these are the dimorphic fungi of the uh, fungus. Functions of fungus. Fungi. Fungi are the essential decomposers, recycling of nutrients, and symbiotes in the ecosystem. They have crucial functions in human society, including food production. Human benefits from fungi through their uses in their fermentation. Uses of fungi. Fungi have diverse uses, including food, mushroom, fermentation, bread, beer, wine, and cheese. They are also crucial decomposers in ecosystems by they are recycling nutrients and they improving on the soil health condition. Another method of structure of fungi. Thank you.